What's up everybody, this is Vincent Jones Smith and I'm showing you guys as much as I can about stuff that I find here in LA and sell worldwide on eBay. So this is actually a place where people take electronic waste, stuff that you're not supposed to put in the trash because it's bad for the environment. I went there and made a deal to take some stuff with me. So I picked this Polycom, it's called a Polycom Sound Station 2W. It is an office phone. This part is wireless connected to this part. I've seen some of them selling for 300 plus. I have two of these. I listed them for $259 plus shipping. And I got an instant offer for both of them. Somebody offered me $150 in less than a couple minutes, so I'm not gonna accept that offer right now. I'll probably get a full price offer for both of them because I did price them both for great deals and they're tested and working, and that wasn't easy to do. So this is literally a rare ceiling fan remote. It's tested. Luckily I had this A23 battery on hand to test it. It has a sell-through ratio of 18 sold to 1 listed, only 1 listed for parts. So I'm expecting a sale within a week with the potential of selling instantly or same day. And so what it really took to get this, the real cost was basically to go through a pile of e-waste and find the needle in the haystack pretty much. Alright, so it's been about another 2 hours since I listed those Polycom phones. Got another offer for both units at $225 each. I also sold a Galaxy S9 today. So $225, that's $450 plus $120 for that S9. $570 all today from a lot of items that I paid $40 for. Hit the like button for me, you guys. So very important lesson here, guys, because I was a little bit thirsty for a good sale like that. Never be thirsty. So just from waiting an extra 2 hours, I was able to profit an extra $150 from those 2 items. Now it's time to get busy shipping these items out. Gotta do a good job shipping them. So we have a Samsung Galaxy S9 T-Mobile cracked screen. It was listed for parts, but it's working and it's unlocked. I was able to log into my Google account from this device after powering it on. I charged it up, listed it. It sold same day for $120 plus shipping. So I have this one here all packaged and ready to go. So that one's good. And now we're getting this one together. I'm not using the exact same packing supplies because this stuff is recycled. So I pretty much just ripped this up and I'm still gonna bubble wrap those. I'll show you guys some more after I'm almost done. Alright, so now these are bubble wrapped and I put more of this on top so that it's all packed tight. Now since the same customer bought both of these, they asked me if I could put both of them inside of a bigger box. And I chose this box. I have some more of those, but those are an older version, not worth nearly as much as these. And I haven't got those tested yet. So that's more work involved in being able to sell stuff like this. It's not only about getting it cheap, but these 2 boxes right here, 1 and 2, are gonna go in here. It's gonna be padded some more and it's a wrap. Okay, so I just used more foam to fill in the edges of the box. It fits perfect. There's no extra space on the top or the bottom, but it's already padded inside the box, so that should be fine. This is gonna limit the movement to almost none. And there you have it. We're all set, ready to print the label for this. So it must be hard to sell a size 16 pair of Timberland boots when you're the Goodwill, especially when you're asking for $60. This is one of my best $1 finds, you guys. I'm listing them right now. There's 4 available on the market. These are in really good condition. Don't get it twisted, guys. So there's 4 available on the market, 8 sales in the last 60 days. Going rate is about $70. I'll probably list them for $70 your best offer. There's only 4 on the market. Best deal is $100 right now. So I'm looking for a quick sell on these around 60 to 70. Pay $1. The power of the dollar day. Okay, so now this is how I like to list my first picture. So, you know, it was kind of something like that with the tongue laced up like this. This is out like that because at the end I unlaced it to get a good shot inside the shoe. And yeah, so I went ahead and listed it for 75 or best offer, paid $1 from Goodwill on Dollar Day. Next. Okay guys, so I'm about to list this remote here. You look you look up remotes from this number, Yamaha, then type in this number, RAV240, and you'll find the comps for this. So this remote is actually selling for about $20 on average. If you go to the right place, like a yard sale, you could probably pay a quarter or 50 cents or $1 for a remote like this. I picked it up from an e-waste facility for about $1. It's selling for $20. The sell-through ratio is 11 sold to 11 available on the market. So it's not bad. It's not going to sell extremely fast, but $20 is good money for the work required to test and list a remote and ship it. Super easy. 4 AAA batteries later, success. And then the listing, ding, there it is. Easy money. I want to show you guys how I'm going to ship this item out. Something like this, you always have to be creative. I just don't want this part to break, so I don't feel comfortable with just bubble wrap, so I want to include some cardboard somehow. Believe it or not, you guys, this part is not edited. Like, I took a power smoothie and then I went really hard to do this as fast as possible. Showing you guys this cool trick with the box, not once but twice, and just really wanted to go super hard and ham at this to make sure y'all hit the like button for me. Thank you, I really appreciate that. Alright, so let's show you guys this handiwork. So I have these cut out pieces of cardboard wrapped around those parts that go at the ankles. The fins are laid head to toe. And now I'm going to take a poly mailer and wrap the whole thing, get it weighed. Hopefully I didn't go over the weight that I estimated. So this is the largest poly mailer that I have. You guys can see that it looks like it's just a perfect fit, which means that it's going to be a little bit too small. So I'm just going to use 2 of them and go ahead and get this shipped off. So just like I thought, it's just a little bit too small. So now for bag number 2. And success. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do anything better than you. So what happened was I put 5 pounds, 28 by 10 by 4. It turned out to be over 5 pounds. So I updated it to 6 pounds, 26 by 9 by 5. The cost, the buyer paid $11.60 for shipping, and even though I was off with the weight of the item, with the eBay discount for priority mail, I still only paid $8.95 to ship the item. So you just need to be close, okay? Aside from boxes and bubble wrap, like packing supplies, what you're gonna need is a tape measure and a scale like this that could weigh ounces and pounds, like 1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pounds, and tell you, so you can know if something is 3 pounds or less. Every time you go over a pound, so like let's say I have a pair of jeans and it is 1 pound and 1 ounce, I'm gonna have to pay the 2 pound rate for that. So you want to know for sure if this is 2 pounds or if it's 1 pound and 14 ounces. Like I said, I picked this up at Savers for $4.99, and this had just been around the house forever. Okay, so some of you guys that are already subscribed to my channel probably are familiar with this device here. It was a Nakamichi DR3 2-head cassette deck. So I made that video on getting it tested and getting it listed. Remember, I paid $1 for this at Dollar Day at the Goodwill. So now you guys get to see me double bubble wrap it. It's going in here. I rip these little things up. You know, I like to recycle and save money. Those things I find all over the place, and doing it like that helps me save myself from packing extra bubble wrap in there to fill up that space, because bubble wrap be costing me, y'all. Oh yeah, make sure you hit that like button if bubble wrap be costing you, and you could do this now to save some money. But here is the end of this. Watch at the end how crisp this box looks too. And I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Like, so long. Make sure you like it and might as well subscribe, right?